Right, I filmed an intro when I went on my drift day, and then I got too excited, I didn't film anything. I was like, yeah, let's go on to the drift day, and then I just had the best day, didn't film anything. Well, I'll put some clips in, I'll put some little clips in. Whoa, I'm back. I've got a really exciting day today. I'm going drifting in Teeside, so I thought I'd take you guys along with me, show you how I get on. Drifting's something that I've always wanted to try, so I'm really excited. So yeah, let's see how I get on. Gonna head up in the 330, the trusty beast. Definitely needs a wash. So yeah, I failed massively at vlogging that day. We then went to a car meet. So there's a local garage, Ravenworks, they had their 1 year anniversary meet up, so there was really cool cars there. I got some shots as well, so I'll put some clips in for you.
Vlog, 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 vlog.
I've never done a burnout, I'm scared. I've only done it in automatic. Focus on me. Okay, the vlogging is going terribly. I just forget to film all the time. But I'm just going across to my dad's house to try the spacers on the E21. So I'm just going to test these just to see if the extra little bit gives us clearance, because at the minute the wheels are touching on the steering arm, I think. So yeah, I'm going to head over there now and see how we get on. So we test fit the spacers and it turns out 26mm is enough to get clearance, so that was good. Then I need to polish the wheels because, yeah, they need polishing. I've done one so far, so 3 to go. And then we can get them fitted, get the tracking done, and there's a few bushes that need replacing as well, so that is next on the list.